Oh, so I just got off work. I'm starving. You know, I'm gonna cook me something good, something fast. So I'm gonna make some chicken wings. So here we go. So I got my chicken wings. You know, from Kroger's. Chicken wings. Put them in the sink. I'm gonna wash my sink out. Okay. Cool. So, got my chicken wings and everything in the sink. I washed my sink out now. Now, I got my flour. Got a little bit of seasoning and stuff in the flour. Yeah, you always season the flour. Okay? So, I'm about to season my wings. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm rinsing my wings off. I just took them out of the package. Cold water. Alright, I'm about to season these bad boys. They got a little bit of seasoning salt. Don't be afraid, you know what I'm saying? Shake that bad boy. Ain't nothing wrong with a little, little flavor. Yeah. So I got my seasoning salt. Got a little garlic powder. Just a little something extra, Really got too much. Got some peppers from there. Okay, boom. So I got my pepper. Alright, boom. I'm about to flip her. Now look at that gold, look, golden. Alright. My flipping bad boy. I'm gonna get the other side. Both sides. Hands is wash. Wash your hands several times when you're cooking. Alright. Get the other side. I probably gonna think, oh, you seasoning it too much. No, hey. There you go. Got it all nice and seasoned and everything like that. I got my chicken wings in the flour. I'm about to get that tied up. Get that all shook up and everything. And people like, why you doing grocery bag? It's just, more clean, you ain't gotta worry about no bowls, splashing stuff all over the place. There ain't no mess, Got two grocery bags, so, ain't no mess. Clean real fast, clean up. Alright. I'm gonna let that sit there. I got my grease on the stove. My vegetable oil. That's what I got. Vegetable oil. Wait till they get let that get hot. Then I'm gonna dip them bad boys in there. I got my wings in there. I done flipped them. They all nice and brown. I only put a few of them in at a time. Come check it out. Come look at it. Look how nice and brown they is. Yes, sir. I'll flip them on both sides. I say about 5 minutes on each side will do it. Boom, I got my little sides, my little mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese. I got this nice crispy chicken, close up. Mm-hmm.